Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to englimia.com. In the series of how to improve your grammar, today we are going to discuss preposition once again. And those prepositions are to and for. To is a preposition which is used to tell direction, movement or preference. Let's see the examples through which you could easily understand when and how we use to in the sentences. They are going to the school. It shows the direction where you are going or the destination where you are going. So to is used to show the destination as well. She reads a novel Thursday to Friday. Thursday to Friday means the movement from one to the other. We prefer parks to restaurants. Here we are showing the preference. And one thing you should remember that after to you have to use first form of the verb. You cannot use any other form after to. Let's see the use of for. For is used to show the time period or the duration and the purpose. Let's see the examples first. We have been living in this house for 10 years. Time. Would you please pass the dish for me? For me. This gadget is used for making pictures. Can you please wait for me? So, in the first sentence we could see we've been living. Perfect tense. So with present perfect, past or future, we use for to show the time period. And in the second sentence we could see that for me has been used as an object in the sentence. And next, in the next sentence, we're making pictures. Here is the golden rule which could help us to understand where we have to use to and where we have to use for. To is used before a verb and for is used before a noun. Or you could say after to you have to use verb and after for you have to use noun. I am going to have lunch. So after to, a form of verb could be seen. I am going for lunch. Lunch is a noun. It's a noun and it's a verb. In my previous video, I have told you that the use of preposition could easily be understood in the context. Like you have to understand the context of the sentence. Now you have to tell me in the comment box where we have to use to and where we have to use for. I hope you have understood and you would practice it. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.